What if I told you that one of the greatest barrier to your success in this space is not actually in your knowledge of crypto or the blockchain technology, rather it's in your mindset? And I'm sure you've seen a lot of this type of content on the internet space talking about mindset, telling you the right mindsets that you need to have and all of this. So because of that, I don't even intend to bore you with this at all. In fact, my intention for you is to show you the direct method, the step-by-step on what you need to do in order to make that money that you are looking for. But the problem is that even if you have these steps, in fact, there are a whole lot of these steps on the internet space right now, but where has it gotten you so far? So even if you have these steps, if you don't understand properly these simple principles, it still will not work for you. That is the purpose of this video. In this video, I'm going to break it down to you, what you need to do. And then in my next videos, I'm going to be showing you skills that you need to acquire in this space for you to make that cash. Before we talk about proper thinking, we need to understand, first of all, the space that we belong to. This space is called the Web3 space, and I'm sure you know that already. But do you properly understand this? Do you know the difference between the Web3 space and the Web2 space? When we talk about the Web2 space, we're talking about how the traditional internet works. In fact, it is almost everything you've known about the internet space up to this extent. You're probably watching this video maybe on Facebook, X, Twitter, or whatever social media platform at all that you're watching this video from. Those are Web2 platforms. We could even extend Web2 down to government, down to the whole banking sector and all of these things. This whole system, these whole sectors are all centralized. So we could classify it under Web2. And in this Web2 space, the way to earn, the income method is predictable. Now, when we come to the Web3 space, we're not talking about decentralization. We're not talking about a whole DAO, a whole organization running on its own without centralized bodies. We're not talking about new opportunities to earn online. In fact, we're not talking about unpredictable means of income. You could be poor today and then you wake up tomorrow rich. Very unpredictable. And the same way, you could be very rich today and wake up tomorrow poor. The traditional Web2 thinking, everything is rooted in stability. In fact, it is rooted in predictability. This is why you know that you have to go to school, bag your degree, maybe a 4 years course, 5 years course, or whatever. You pick your certificate, go to an office, get a job. This job tell you that you have to come to work from 9 to 5 and all of those stuff. At the end of the month, you know the amount you are going to earn. Inflation, economics, and all of these other stuff do not concern you. What you know is that your income is guaranteed at the end of the month as long as you get your job done. This is predictable, this is safe, and this is what most of us are taught to believe. When it comes to Web3 thinking, we are no longer talking about 9 to 5. We're no longer talking about predictability. This time around, we're not talking about value, offering value. And you can offer value by solving problems for people, building communities, and offering services that people need in the space. And in this space, you need to be ready to accept the unknown. No more 9 to 5, no more guaranteed paychecks, and also no more limits to how much you can earn. The biggest mindset shift in this is that in Web2, your income is predictable. How much you can earn and what you can even do with those earnings, they are predictable. When it comes to the Web3 space, it is not predictable. In fact, it is determined, your earnings is determined by how much value you can offer, how much people need what you are offering. If you're in this Web3 space for quick money, or that you heard that airdrops are paying, airdrops are rewarding and all of these stuff, then I think you're already setting yourself up for failure. So Web3 rewards people that are consistent, people that are patient, and people that are willing to learn and grow. Most Web3 newcomers fail because they are expecting quick results. And honestly, I don't blame them, because if we look at the onboarding process of Web3, it's treating towards airdrop. You are told that airdrops pay, airdrops reward, and some people are even running from their 9 to 5. Maybe you've been doing this job, you see that this job is stressing you, you're not getting enough amount of money, and then you hear that airdrop is rewarding people, airdrop has changed people's life and all of those stuff. So you run into this space thinking that it is just quick money, thinking that it's just pressing some random buttons and then money is going to come to your account, which actually did in the past. It worked for a lot of people and a lot of people made it through this way. But that is not how the space operates anymore. And the space is even much more than that. Now, how do you adapt to the Web3 mindset? First of all, you need to understand that your journey is not a short-term journey, something that is going to require focus. It's something that is going to require commitment. And then you need to understand your journey. You need to understand your niche in this space. You need to understand that it is going to take you time to build your skills, build your reputation, and finally your income. And I need you to understand that you should stop looking for shortcuts. You should stop relying on airdrops, not to abandon airdrops, but not to depend on it. You should understand that trading is not a reliable way of earning. Focus on building real valuable skills. Focus on offering real services that is needed. And if you've watched this video up to this extent and this aligns with you, because I know not everybody that watched this video is going to understand what I am saying. It's only some selected few people that are going to get this message. If you're one of those people that have watched the video up to this extent and you understand it properly, I guarantee you are in the right space, because that is what this channel is going to be focusing on. If you have understood your part, this channel is now going to be teaching you valuable skills, valuable services that you can render in this space. So this is not just all about airdrop, quick incomes, Ponzi schemes, and any of those methods that you might probably have relied on in the past. It is time to move on. If you're ready to make this mindset shift, I need you to type in the comment section, just drop "I am ready," and then make sure you're subscribed to this channel, because in my next video, I am going to be showing you one of the skills that you can learn, one of the skills that you can use to earn in this Web3 space. And that is basically it. Make sure to search for me on all social media platforms. Search for Toniostech. If you don't follow me on X, you can check this video maybe at the bottom or top or whatever. My X handle is going to be there, so you can search for me on X. You can also check the description box of this video. I'm going to drop a link there to my Telegram channel and all over of my social media platforms where Toniostech operates.